fun. I would like to do a quick share on this birthday card I made for my brother. This card measured 7 by 7 inches. This happy birthday stickers are from these Dollar Tree alphabet stickers. This picture is Homer Simpson and he's solving some Rubik's cubes. I got this image from Google and I backed it up on some green and orange paper. These basic color papers are these Recollections primary cardstock paper. So Homer is solving some Rubik's cubes, and when you open it, you see a pop-up Rubik's cube. So this card was inspired by a video from Square Type. She makes pop-up cards videos. I will link you to her channel below. So you can see that a complete Rubik's cube popped out of this card. So I think this is very fun and really neat. You open it and a box pops up. When you see her video, you can see how to do this pop-up card. And I decorated it with paper that I printed on my computer, and then I glued it directly on the box. And there was only space for 5 sides. So that's what I have here. And then I just left it simple, and I just put a strip of red paper along the side and left it blank. So I really like this card. It's really fun, and I like the size of this cube. I made it size 3 by 3, and that's how big it is. This is the card, and I hope you like it. I will see you next time. Goodbye.